Hi guys, this is Tech Specification. Today I'm showing you the unboxing videos of OPTA, which is there in this box of wireless earbuds, also with power bank. So let's open it. This box is hard to open it. And now it's open. So this is the bag. To open it, what kept inside in a bag? This is the user guide manual. This is the USB Type A to Type B charger, and this is the cover of earbuds. So there it is. So this is the power bank plus earbuds. So this is the power bank. So see this. See, this is the power bank. Next is earbuds. To open it, this shape is like that. And this is the magnetic to open or close it. This is the whole box of OPTA. So these are the specifications of OPTA earbuds plus power bank. Here it is.
So that's all for this video, and how you like this video, give it to the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe. So stay tuned for updated videos. Thanks for watching.